These two walking pieces of dark chocolate are actually shingleback lizards, found mainly in Australia. They're one of the largest skinks out there, and because they're super friendly toward humans, they've become a popular reptile to keep. Adults can grow up to about 12 inches long, covered in thick, bumpy scales that look tough but aren't very hard. They might look fierce, but they're actually gentle and a bit shy. Shinglebacks come in a variety of colors, but no matter the shade, they all have a big, wide blue tongue that looks like it could be venomous. When they feel threatened, they stick out that big blue tongue to scare off enemies, then quickly waddle away. And with their short legs, that waddle is always a little clumsy and funny to watch. Their short, chunky tails look a lot like their heads, which can confuse predators and give them a chance to escape. One special thing about shinglebacks is that they're the ultimate long-term partners. They're monogamous, and once they pair up, they'll stay together for 30 or 40 years. Just like humans, they give birth to live young and even help raise them until they're grown.